So continue on the Lexus ES330. So here is the customer Sam. She's gonna be removing this climate control, the all the accessory, the vent and everything. So here we go. All right, this is gonna be the hardest part right here. So what she's doing right there, she's pushing that clip in, and she's gonna kind of hold that clip up a little bit and then go to the other side. Not let that push back in. If it push back in, you gotta repeat the same process. Second time, that's why. So this is easier right there. You do the same thing. Take a flat hat, push it outward and pick it up a little bit so it don't go back in the same clip and it come right out. Pretty simple as that. And then now this is different right here. What you want to do, you want to take the same thing. You want to take a flat hat right there and push it up a little bit, out a little bit right here like this. But make sure you cover this thing. This thing can fly about 5-6 feet away. You'll be looking for it. So push it out a little bit right there, and then come over here and kind of pull this up a little bit, but that will fly it out. So just keep it like that, and then kind of use your nail or another flat hat, lineman flat hat, right there. You're gonna hurt your finger right there. Put it right here, and then make sure you hold it up here a little bit. It's gonna click out. There you go. See that? See how it hits you?
Yeah.
Try the next one. Do the same thing on all 4 of them. Just really easy. Don't break it because there's only 4 of them. You gotta click that out right here a little bit right there. Up right there, because that clip. See this clip right here? That's what holding it. Yep. See, lucky it's not too high. Yep. And do 2 more. See, Lexus is not easy to do.
It's a lot of tricks to it.
Yeah, if you break one of these, you can't put the bracket back in right. You gotta go get one from a junkyard or the dealership. They don't even sell this at the dealership.
If I push it from
yeah, you can do that.
Yeah,
once you do like that, but it's gonna fly up. So watch your eyes.
I'm scared.
No, it's not gonna be that bad. Or you can use your finger. Yep. There you go. See now? You got it. Clip ហ្នឹងយើងធ្វើអញ្ចឹងទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងឡើយឲ្យតើToyota. I just said all the Toyota, they got the same clips. You gotta real careful. The other one's not out, the other side. Yep.
No, okay.
Yeah, you gotta get both of them out. There you go. So now all you have to do is take the new one and put it in. See what happened is the old one, the factory OEM, this is a little bit smaller. It would have just fit in there right. So put right in. It should be a 3. There you go. Right there. Is that right?
Yep.
Yep. That's for the clock. And then now this is kind of tricky, so she got to figure out which way, right, left, or up or down. So I forgot to mention, take one out at a time, like one here, and then start the other one right away. That way you don't get confused. So right now it's gonna just clip in one side first. There you go. She's pretty good. She got that experience from somewhere. There you go. Pretty good.
Trick.
Good job. So here now what we're gonna do, we're gonna start at the radio part right here. So take that radio out here. You see how this thing said XL? It means on the left side. So you take this out. And then you, okay, you know this is the left side, okay? So I had to think how it looks. I forgot how it looks. I think it's like that. Yep. Yeah, like this. So what you want to do right now is, I don't know how far this is going to be looking. You just put the screw in here, but you don't know where it's all the way going to be at right here. I'm going to look for the screw. That's not the screw. So the screw should be in that box. So what she's going to do, she's going to try it like this, put it down. So now she's going to put the left side. This is going to be on the top. And she's going to screw it in. Kind of give her a hand right here. It's a little bit tricky, so you might have to use the drill with it. A little bit more, yeah.
Is that right?
It's almost,
Just keep going.
yeah, try a little bit tighter. Okay, hold on. Yep. And make sure it's straight. Straight this way a little bit. Move the drill back. Yep. Easy. There you go. That's good enough for now. Not too tight. And then put one more right here. All we need is two. A little bit tricky, huh? This is when you hands-on. When you see me doing this, guys, it looks easy. But when you really do it yourself, it's not that simple. Even my brother having a lot of issue too. But you know what he said? I can't see.
Glasses.
You gotta get it straight up again. Yep, move, yep. I think the hole is this way, that way.
That's why we're doing it that way, because I can't.
Yep, see that?
See it. It has to go like that. You think that's good? I think it's going.
Don't blame me, she wanna do it. I didn't ask her, she asked for it. Now move it kinda upward a little bit so it's straight. There you go. That's good enough. Another one. You're not done yet. So it's gotta be the same way. There you go, you got it. You got it, yep. So start from that one first. This gotta be even, same balance. Yep, you got it. See, you got this one, you got it good right there. You don't have to do much. There you go. Hey, you're pretty good at using that drill though. Let's move it back a little bit. Try this one. This is easier because it's not gonna come out.
How many does it have to have?
Just two is fine.
Fine.
Yeah, okay, good. So now when you get that done, you want to take that and put on here and see what works for now. Making sure everything's about right. So now you want to put this in first, then you put this, the cover on the cover, the ring, it's called beauty ring, or it's called the cover, radio cover. So let's take this radio and plug everything in. So you wiggle it in a little bit, it should click. See that? Make sure it's got in that hole first right there, in that black hole right there. right there, and then now you wiggle it and push it in. There you go. I heard it click. It's probably in. Yep, it's in. Now you want to plug the antenna, and then you got the Bluetooth right here hooked up. I mean, not Bluetooth. The antenna is gonna go to this one. The Bluetooth will go to where's the Bluetooth plug? It look almost like this right here, microphone. So plug it in right here. I'm gonna have my brother help you put it in. Hopefully he can do it, and then put this in right here. I like take care of that customer real quick. So now you want to shove all this thing in right here. No, remember this, we got to get that in first. So let's get that in. You want to do it? You want my brother-in-law to do it?
Yeah, he can help me.
Yeah, because that's hard. Okay, looking at it right there, we only have two 10mm right there, so I put one right here and one up here. So now we're gonna put this clip back in here. There's 4 of them, and don't lose them. So you see this? So you're gonna have to adjust the screw and push it out about another a little bit over 1/4 inch. What I'm gonna be doing, see, we was talking about a little bit of 1/4 inch. So what you wanna do? Do you wanna, let me ask, are we going backward or forward? Now we wanna lift it out here. So it's gonna be
Forward.
tricky.
Backwards?
Yeah.
So you're gonna push it back a little?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know why I'm saying backward right there? Because when you push it backward, and then it pushes the radio out, outward.
Yeah,
if you push it forward, you're gonna go back in. So push it backwards. Everything installed, but the part right here, that big gap right there, I don't like, but that's how they made it, so I cannot do too much. This one's okay, but it's not that bad. I try to push it this way, but the clip hit all the way there. I was trying to push it some more, but if I push some more, it's gonna break. So I don't know if it was a Friday thing or not.